Hi everyone, this is Privx Exchange, a zkp-based decentralized order book service on Aleo platform. Comparing to previous works on other platforms, Privx aims to provide better user privacy protection. In this video I'll show how to use Privx to transact tokens on Aleo. Firstly, let's get familiar with different UI part. We can switch between different token pairs here if needed. We can also switch between buying and selling in this tab. In the middle we can have a glance of books as well as traded orders. We also provide a K-line chart on the right, where you can have a view of trading history of this particular token pair. You can drag, zoom in or out to have a view of particular time periods. On the top you can see current price as well as different indicators within recent 24 hours. In the bottom you can have a view of your orders, fills as well as your assets. Okay, let's move on to next step, how to use Privx to make transactions. Assuming you are using Chrome Explorer. Firstly you will need to install a Chrome extension with the name Aleo Wallet. You can find it in Chrome Web Store as shown here. After installing you will need open the wallet and create an account in it, and use the faucet to gain some Aleo tokens, which are needed as gas fee in later steps. Secondly, let's go back to Privx webpage and click the Select Wallet button here to connect to Aleo Wallet. Okay, done. You can see that we have already got some tokens in this account. As Aleo network is still under develop and in testnet stage, for other new accounts, you would need to contact us to mint some tokens for you to play with Privx Exchange. Please email to the mail address under this video, and attach your Aleo account address in your email. Okay, assuming that you have already got enough Aleo gas and our tokens. We will firstly need to deposit assets into the pool. Let's head to the bottom of the web page, and click the My Assets tab, and then the Deposit button. You need to deposit the tokens you want to trade out. Let's deposit some Aleo tokens here. Click Deposit, and fill in the amount, and click the Confirm button. Please make sure you have already signed in the Aleo wallet. You would see an alert of confirming transaction. Well, let's press the Confirm button and you can see there would be a new tab in your browser, showing the transaction is being processed. Do not close this tab as the transaction would be cancelled. You would need some minutes for downloading proofs, making transactions, etc. It would take more minutes for the first time, and less afterwards. And if there occurs any problem during this step, you can try if you need to sign into Aleo Wallet, or closing some tabs if you have opened too many tabs in your Chrome. If this doesn't work, you can open Aleo Wallet extension. Click the Settings button, and head to Advanced Settings, and click Resync. Please wait for the resyncing process and retry the steps afterwards. Okay, now our transaction is sent and waiting for confirmation. Okay, it's confirmed. We can see that we have got some Aleo token balance in the pool. Only these tokens are allowed for transactions. Of course you can also withdraw tokens by clicking the Withdraw button. Now let's see how to make orders. We can see that there is already some buying and selling orders in the list. We observe that there is an order here, where 63 tokens are on sale with the price 300 in Aleo token. We are pleased with this one and want to make a deal with it. So what we need to do is to switch to the buying tab here, and then we would need to type in our price 300 in Aleo token, and amount in token 1, which is 63. Surely you can also type in other prices and amounts, and different numbers would result in different outcomes, similar to other order books. So after filling in parameters we would click the Buy button here and everything is similar as depositing tokens. We would need to wait for the transaction being confirmed. Okay, the transaction is confirmed. We can observe that changes have been made to the order list as well as our assets. And we have successfully made a transaction with the help of Privx on Aleo blockchain. Thanks for your watching and welcome to use Privx Exchange. Our websites and contacts enlisted under this video, and in case of any questions or interests, or jumping into any problems while using our platform, please feel free to contact us via email or GitHub, whichever you would like. Thank you.